these are the hubs, so I can use those Junko wheels. Still a bit warm, don't want to come loose. Alright, I won't force them just in case I break them. So, this time we've got 3D printed hubs to go inside the wheels so that I can use this 8mm knitting needle I got from Poundland as a straight through axle. Attach the rubber band to the front there. I've used a bit of card just to space the back here because there's nothing to stop the back squeezing together. And rubber band will go through there and then wrap it onto the back axle. So over the back axle, hold it in place while it goes round so it goes over itself and it holds itself in place. That should do to get it going. Camera ready. Probably not pointing straight, I never get this straight to begin with. Not bad. I think we'd have done the full distance then, which is what I was trying to achieve. The full distance, we're talking about something like 8 meters. So I'll put the camera down there and we'll see if we can hit the camera. Summary time. Probably not quite what they had in mind when they originally designed it, but I'm now running it with a straight through axle, 8mm knitting needle bought in Poundland, 3D printed hubs so we can still use these wheels, which I like a lot, and then the rubber band goes right the way from the front to the back. That bit of card there is just to stop the back spreading. And the other thing worth noting is because that piece slides into that piece, these can go out of alignment. So I'm having to make sure that they're lined up on both sides, otherwise we've got a twisted chassis. But that works, so that'll do.